Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo Tab Plus 11.5 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down and tap on display option. Let's tap. Then scroll down to localize this option, screen timeout. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, at the bottom the longest option, the longest time option, which is 30 minutes, and the longest ever, which is never, which means that your device will not automatically black out. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.